Welcome everyone. Today we're going on a 10-minute journey into one of the most exciting fields of our time, artificial intelligence. By the end of this session, you'll understand what AI actually is, how it thinks, and most importantly, why it matters to you. Let's dive in. We'll cover 10 topics today, 1 minute each. What is AI? The history of AI. How traditional computers differ from AI. Machine learning. Neural networks. Computer vision. Natural language processing. Generative AI. AI hallucination and safety. And finally, will AI replace us? Let's start with the big question. What is AI? What is artificial intelligence? Simply put, it's a system that imitates human thinking. But instead of following a fixed set of rules written by a programmer, AI learns from data. It analyzes the past, diagnoses the present, and predicts the future. You already use AI every single day. When a music app suggests a song you love, that's AI. When a video game gets harder as you level up, that's AI. When your phone unlocks just by looking at your face, that's AI. When a self-driving car brakes before hitting an obstacle, that's AI. The key insight? AI doesn't follow instructions, it discovers them from data. Artificial intelligence didn't appear overnight. The field was born in the 1950s, when scientists first asked, "Can a machine think?" Progress was slow. There were two AI winters, long periods when funding dried up because the technology didn't meet expectations. Then in 2012, deep learning changed everything. Suddenly AI could recognize images, understand speech, and beat human champions at chess and Go. And in 2022, ChatGPT reached 100 million users in just 2 months. The fastest growing application in history. Today, we live in the era of generative AI, and the next step, AGI, is on the horizon. Traditional versus AI. Here's a question. How does a traditional computer think versus an AI? A traditional computer is rule-based. A programmer writes every single instruction. If the email contains the word winner, mark it as spam. If the speed exceeds the limit, apply the brakes. Every scenario must be anticipated and coded manually. AI is completely different. It's pattern-based. Instead of writing rules, you feed it data, and it discovers the rules itself. Show it 1 million spam emails, it learns what spam looks like. Show it 1 million hours of driving, it learns how to drive. The difference? A traditional computer needs instructions for everything. AI adapts, improves, and solves problems no one programmed it for. Machine learning. Machine learning is the engine that powers AI. The process has 4 steps. First, collect a large amount of data. Second, clean and organize that data. Third, train a model on that data. Fourth, evaluate the model and deploy it. There are 2 main ways a machine can learn. The first is supervised learning, where we provide labeled answers. We show the computer thousands of photos labeled cat or dog, and it learns to classify new photos on its own. The second is unsupervised learning, where the computer gets no labels at all. It finds patterns in groups by itself. Remember this, AI is not magic. It needs data. Garbage in, garbage out. The better the data, the smarter the model. Let's see how a machine actually learns. Head to Teachable Machine, link in the description. See these classes? Add your training images here. Pro tip, more images equal a smarter AI. Set up at least 2 classes, then hit Train Model. Once it's done, upload a test image and watch the AI instantly calculate the match percentage. Mind blown, right? Neural networks. So how does AI actually process all that data? Through neural networks, a method inspired by the human brain. Just like your brain has billions of neurons connected to each other, an artificial neural network has layers of connected units that pass information along. The first layer receives raw data, like pixel numbers from an image. Each layer extracts more meaning. The first layer finds edges. The second finds shapes. The third finds features like eyes and ears. The final layer says, dog. When you stack many hidden layers together, you get what's called deep learning. More layers means more understanding. And that's how AI recognizes faces, understands speech, and reads text. Computer vision. Computer vision is the field that lets machines see. But here's the thing, computers don't see beauty. They see numbers. Every image is just a grid of pixels, and each pixel is a number representing color. For example, 255, 255, 255 means white. 000 means black. Using neural networks, the computer analyzes those number patterns to understand what's in the image. This gives us three powerful abilities. Image classification, what is this? Object detection, what is it and where is it? And face recognition, who is this person? These technologies power everything from medical diagnosis to self-driving cars to your phone's camera. NLP. Now, how does AI understand language? That's the job of natural language processing, or NLP. Human language is full of context and ambiguity. Take the word site. In the sentence, the website crashed. Site means an online platform. In the sentence, a historical site in Luxor. Site means a physical location. Same word, different meaning. NLP teaches computers to understand this context, not just keywords. This is what powers chatbots like ChatGPT and Claude. It's what enables Google Translate to preserve meaning across languages. It's what makes autocomplete on your phone feel so natural. Every time you talk to an AI assistant, you're experiencing NLP. Generative AI. Generative AI is the most exciting development in recent years. It's AI that doesn't just analyze, it creates. It writes articles, generates images, composes music, and writes code. How? It's trained on billions of examples, text, images, audio. It learns patterns and styles. Then when you give it a prompt, it generates new, original content similar to what it learned. The most famous tools today are ChatGPT by OpenAI, Claude by Anthropic, Gemini by Google, DALL-E for images, and Sora for video. But here's an important warning: AI hallucination. When AI doesn't know an answer, it sometimes invents one, confidently. A lawyer once used ChatGPT to write a legal brief. It looked perfect. But all 6 court cases it cited were completely fake. Always verify AI output. AI safety. Here's the golden rule. If information isn't safe to share publicly, don't share it with AI tools. Never input your full name combined with your phone number and home address. Never share national ID or passport numbers. Never paste credit card or bank account details. Never upload confidential medical records or company contracts. And never, ever, share passwords. Instead, use safe alternatives. Replace your real company name with Company X. Replace sensitive numbers with placeholder X's. Use sample data for testing. And always review AI output before sending it to anyone. Remember, AI tools may store or use your inputs to train future models. Will AI replace us? The question everyone asks, will AI take my job? The honest answer is, not entirely. But here's the truth: people who use AI will replace people who don't. AI is excellent at automating repetitive tasks, data entry, email sorting, basic report writing, scheduling. But AI cannot replace creative thinking, ethical judgment, human connection, or strategic decision making. The final call always belongs to a human. Think of AI as a multiplier. A doctor using AI can see 3 times more patients. A developer using AI codes twice as fast. The question isn't, will AI replace me? It's, how do I work with AI? Learn to use it. Master 2 or 3 tools. Let AI handle the routine, and you focus on the thinking. Key takeaways. Let's wrap up with 5 things to remember. 1. AI imitates human thinking by learning patterns from data, not from fixed rules. 2. Machine learning is the engine. Train on data, model learns, model predicts. 3. Neural networks are AI's brain, layers that extract meaning from numbers. 4. Generative AI creates new content by learning from billions of examples. And 5. AI is a powerful tool, not a replacement. Use it wisely. Verify its output. Keep the final decision human. Thank you for your attention, and remember, the people who understand AI today will shape the world tomorrow. Closing. AI is not magic. It's math, data, and human ingenuity. Learn to use it, and you multiply your potential. Keep learning. Stay curious. Use AI wisely. And that's how easy it is. Thanks a million for watching. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what should we teach the AI next? Catch you in the next video.